Today is Thursday, March 27th, and today I got my license, actually, my driver's license, and through that experience, plus through some softball practice that I had today, I learned that sometimes you just need to take life a little less seriously and just chill and just have fun, because there's something called a spotlight effect, where you always think that people are always looking at you, and you think everyone's always looking at you, wondering about you, judging you, whatever. But really, everyone is just focused on themselves. So today, through my driver's test today to get my license, and I had softball practice, and I was just thinking, everyone is just worried about themselves. Stop being so self-conscious and insecure, and and just live more, just chill out and just be a human. Interact with other humans normally. Stop being so self-conscious and insecure, because that's just you focusing on yourself. And I feel like most of the time, whenever I'm focused on myself, that never leads to anything good, right? And when I say focused on yourself, I'm meaning in a certain social situation or whatever, where all you're thinking about is oh, what are other people thinking about me? Do I look okay? Am I acting weird? Am I blah blah blah, right? Just be you, chill out, and just be a human, right? Stop being so insecure and just chill. Because really, we should only be seeking approval from one person, and that's God. And we need to deny ourselves, right? And we need to put our neighbor above ourselves, right? And those are all things that show that we shouldn't be exalting ourselves and trying to make ourselves look the best and act the best and be perfect or whatever, right? We should be exalting others and be exalting God, right? Really exalting God and putting others before ourselves, right? Others' needs and interests before ourselves. So I don't know. That's kind of just what I learned today. Today was just a good day, and I was trying to just focus less on myself and more on others. And I feel like that's just a much better way of approaching life than just focused on you all the time, focused on what you look like, what you're acting like. Constantly being self-conscious and insecure isn't gonna get you anywhere. And honestly, those things, if you're self-conscious about something, if you're insecure about something, then just do something about it, right? A lot of those things we can control. Now, if it's something that's dumb, or I don't want to use the word dumb, but if it's something that's more trivial, then you should probably know that and just stop being insecure about it. Because I guarantee you, probably no one is thinking about that one tiny little thing. But if it's just a thing, just a normal thing about yourself that you don't like, and that you're self-conscious about, not even for the approval for others, just go fix it. So that's kind of what I learned today. Just chill out, be a human. You don't have to overthink social situations, and you don't have to overthink what other people are thinking of you. Just be a human and be you. So short one today. My videos have kind of been slacking lately, because I'm just trying to get my school done, focus, just make sure I have my priorities set straight, and hopefully in the summer I'll really ramp it up. But I've just been really pooped lately, so I'm sorry if the videos aren't as good as I'd like them to be. But trying to get this March video out soon, since it's almost April. Got only a few days left, so I'll try to post that. Thanks for watching. This is yesterday's video. You can subscribe in that corner for daily videos. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.